Give me a stick. Sit. Good boy. You already seated. Good job. He can do this all day. He loves being outside. Loves being outside. 2 or 3 times a day. Fun day Monday. Uh-oh. Let's get a stick. Oh, you gonna give me the stick though this time? You gonna give me a stick? Yeah. Damn stick. Give me a stick, bro. Come on. I'm being stubborn. Let me get the stick. Pretty please. The stick. Oh, look at you. Slow your butt down. About to go in. You got 5 more minutes. You're getting tired. Burn some energy. Come on. Look at you. He loves being outside. Good job, Mello. Okay. Ow. Why you running to me? What did I do to you? Oh, you want? Oh, trying to touch limits, huh? Such a good dog. He just loves having fun. That's why he doesn't want to use the bathroom. He just wants to play all day. Ain't that right, Mello? Just want to play all day, huh? All day. Say, hey. Let me throw it. Sit, Mello. Sit down. Sit. Good boy. Want it? Go get it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Lazy. Just flat out lazy. You better back up. Don't go over there. It's the birds. Just find your stick. Just find your stick. Oh, the stick's right here, Mello. 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 Hey.